Is climate change real? We are Kaizenergies, a channel about health and positive energy. We're diving into one of the most critical topics of our time, climate change. There's a lot of debate surrounding this issue, and we're here to provide you with the scientific consensus and evidence to answer a simple yet pressing question. Is climate change real? Let's delve into the facts. Before we proceed, let's clarify what we mean by climate change. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature, precipitation patterns, and overall weather conditions on Earth. It's driven by factors like increased greenhouse gas emissions, primarily from human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation. The scientific consensus is clear. Climate change is real, and it's happening. Organizations like the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, agree that our planet's climate is changing due to human activities. Empirical evidence supports this consensus. Here are some key indicators. Temperature records. Earth's average surface temperature has risen over the past century, with the last few decades experiencing accelerated warming. Melting ice. Polar ice caps and glaciers are shrinking at alarming rates, contributing to rising sea levels. Extreme weather. Increased frequency and severity of extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires are consistent with climate change predictions. Ocean warming. Oceans have absorbed much of the heat, resulting in warmer waters and coral bleaching. Sea level rise. Sea levels are rising due to the thermal expansion of seawater and the melting of ice. Shifts in ecosystems. Changes in temperature and precipitation are causing shifts in ecosystems and impacting species habitats. Human activities play a pivotal role in driving climate change. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, CO2, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. Deforestation further exacerbates the problem by reducing the Earth's capacity to absorb CO2. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching and affect every corner of our planet. These include extreme weather, more frequent and severe hurricanes, droughts, floods, and wildfires, rising sea levels, coastal erosion, loss of land and displacement of communities, impact on wildlife, habitat loss, species extinction and disrupted ecosystems, food and water security, crop failures, food shortages and increased water scarcity, health issues, heat-related illnesses, the spread of diseases and worsening air quality. The reality of climate change should inspire action. We all have a role to play in mitigating its effects and building a sustainable future. Reduce carbon footprint. Consume less, use energy-efficient appliances and support renewable energy sources. Advocate for policy changes. Support policies that promote clean energy, conservation, and sustainability. Raise awareness. Educate yourself and others about climate change and its impacts. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Minimize waste and reduce your environmental footprint. Support sustainable practices. Choose eco-friendly products and support businesses committed to sustainability. In conclusion, climate change is not a debate. It's a scientifically established fact. The evidence is overwhelming, and the consequences are real. We must act now to address this global challenge and protect our planet for future generations. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on environmental awareness and sustainable living. Together we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and let's be responsible stewards of our Earth.